Hey, what's up? Went out party last night? You still hangover from all those drinks? I thought so. I told you not to drink that much. That's okay, because I'm going to teach you how to make Korea's favorite hangover soup, 콩나물국밥. You can make it for yourself when you're feeling a little bit under the weather because it's packed with nutrients. So let's do this! In a sieve or filter pack, put a dried pollock head, onions, chili pepper together. Pour water into a big pot and boil. Add jeongjong or refined rice wine and boil on high heat for a while. Lower the heat and simmer for 20 minutes. Wash the bean sprouts clean. Okay, all the ingredients are ready, which means the hard part of the work is done. You might still feel a little bit iffy about these bean sprouts, but they're refreshing, crunchy, and good for your metabolism. Our roast is done. First, chop up the kimchi into small pieces. First, diced garlic, kimchi, bean sprouts. If you can't find these bean sprouts, you can use mung bean sprouts instead. That's the same thing. When it's boiled, add salted shrimp. If you don't have salted shrimp, use salt instead. Kimchi taste is really strong, but not bad. Easy peasy, right? If you have Korean-style roast stored away, you can make this 콩나물국밥 anytime you want. Set the table, put the rice and the soup together into a bowl, add leek, chili peppers, and crushed dried seaweed on top. Right before you eat, you have to put the egg yolk into the boiling soup. In Korea, the word 국밥 means that the rice is cooked together with the soup. If you want to serve them separately, then it's going to be called 따로 국밥 or separate 국밥. Anyway, I hope this recipe will help you with your hangover, and be sure to make yourself a 콩나물국밥 next time you're hangover. Bye! An important word in Korean cuisine is banchan or side dishes. Korean tables are always full of delicious and nutritious side dishes which complement each other beautifully. Now, we'll be making a fish dish that can be enjoyed on its own or together with other dishes. First, cut the radish into big chunks. Make big round pieces of onions. Chop the leek and red and green chilies into 5 cm pieces. And lastly, slice the ginger and garlic. Alright, so now we're done with all the vegetables, so let's move to the next step with our main ingredient, fish. Choose a fresh fish and chop into 5 centimeter pieces so the fish can soak up more sauce. Okay, so now let's make the sauce in the bowl. Start with soy sauce, starch syrup, diced green onions and garlic, sugar, rice wine, sesame oil, pepper and salt, and water. Cheongju or rice wine removes any fish odor. If you don't have rice wine, just use red wine. Okay, done with the sauce. So now, let's grill the fish on medium heat. First, oil the pan. Grill the cut side of the fish. When it's grilled slightly, take it off the pan. Okay, put the radish and onions in the pan first, and the fish on it. Pour the sauce and boil it. When it starts to boil, soak the fish and put all the vegetables. Alright, let's add the green onions and peppers. Just like that. Alright. And some ginger and some minced garlic. Smells good. Alright, add the rest of the sauce and close the lid. And boil more. Keep pouring the sauce on top and simmer until the sauce becomes thick. Okay, now let's put the fish onto a plate. Okay, so for the finishing touch, sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of the fish, just like that, and then you're done. So the sauce is kind of salty but deep, so you can have it with rice, and trust me, it's really good, so you should try this home.